Hi, the topic for today's video is box and violin plots. Before starting the video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell notification icon to never miss out on our videos. Now let's see what are box plots and violin plots and what do they offer or what do they mean. First of all, let's import pandas, numpy and matplotlib and also seaborn for plotting our box and violin plots. Then let's read our CSV file. We have our CSV file with 1000 rows and 6 columns which says students performance. Now let's see what are box plots. So box plots are used to show that the distribution of a categorical data. So box plot is just shows the distribution of a categorical data in our data set, and it shows the distribution of a quantitative data in a way that hopefully facilitates comparison between variables. Or box plot also tells us the outliers we have in our data, like when we run this, so we can see we have this outliers in our data set, these dots below the box plots. And when we write data is equal to df, then it just takes out the floating point values or integer values from the integer columns from our data set and just plots it into the box plot. Now here we have math score, then reading score and writing score, and we have some outliers onto it. And what does this box plot represent? So just look at my cursor. This is the top 25 percentile or quartile, and this is the 25 to 50 quartile. Then we have 50th to 75th quartile in this range, in this lower box. Then below this lower box, we have the 75 to 100% quartile, and we have our values from 0 to 100 quartile. But if something is out of our range or below or above something, then we have this outliers. So we can see we have outliers over here in each and every column of integer. Now, if you want gender of math score as box plot, then we can see we have math score and female in math score. They have many outliers, but males have just one outlier. And now, if we see, or if you want to change the color of this box plot, we have here blue and orange. If you want any other, we can use palette, or we can also use color method, but here I have used palette and given the value as rainbow. So let's see what colors do we get. We get a light blue and grayish color. Now sns dot box plot, and we have x as gender, then y as math score, and data as our data frame, palette rainbow, and hue test preparation course. So now this male and female will be categorized into the test preparation course. So we have test preparation course as none or completed. Now let's see what we get. So we get for female we have two box plots which says none and completed, and for male we have none and completed. As we can see, in male completed box plot we don't have any outliers, but in each and everyone others we have some or the other outliers and we have to deal with it. Let's see what are violin plots. Violin plots are used to show that distribution of categorical data. This violin plots, box plots, count plots, bar plots, these are all on all the functions, or these are all plots of categorical data, and it shows the distribution of quantitative data in such a way that hopefully it facilitates comparison between the variables. So it shows a little more information that the box plot, in the sense that it also indicates the distribution of the variable, and it is mixture of KDE plot and box plot. Now as you can see over here, we have a box plot in the middle and then we have a KDE plot across it, and this is a symmetrical graph. As you can see, we have a KDE plot and the box plot in the same, and we call it as violin plot. Now we will see it for writing score. We have almost similar kind of violin plot. Then let's see for a reading score. Yeah, you can see this is like just similar to normal distribution and looking great. Now let's load a data set which SNS provides, which is tips. Then let's plot a violin plot. X is equal to df dot day, y is equal to total bill, and hue is equal to smoker. And palette rainbow. So we give different colors to our violin plot. We have Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday as days, and total bill in our y-axis. Then smoker, as we have given hue is equal to smoker. So we have these two kinds of smokers, which are smokers and non-smokers. And on Thursdays, the total bill of smokers is distributed out in this kind, and non-smokers bill is distributed on Thursday of this kind. Then we have this for each and every day: Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sundays. Now let's see, if we want this two graphs of smokers and non-smokers into one violin plot, then we can give split is equal to true. So what this does is this just joins this both the violin plots into one. As they are symmetric, then we don't have any issue to join them both and have more clearer insights. Now, if we give inner is equal to quartiles, then we can see the 25th quartile, the 50th quartile, and the 75th quartile of each and every violin plot. Now here you can see the first line is 25th quartile, then 50th quartile, and then 75th quartile. And we have this for each and every smoker or for each and every day's total bill. Now SNS dot violin plot. Then if we say scale is equal to count, then we have the count for the smokers and non-smokers on each day and their total bills distribution. And if I give a line width is equal to 3, the outer line of the violin plot is increased by 3. So we have a bit darker plot over here. So this is all from violin plots and box plots. If you like the video, please press the thumbs up button, and if you have any doubts, put it in the comment section and we'll get back to your doubts. Thank you.